Hello beauties, thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time here, my name is Pheladi. For what looks like the one you have just seen, please consider subscribing to my channel as I post tutorial videos like these every week. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. First up, I'm going to start off by priming my lid base, and for that I will be using my Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Eyeshadow Primer. I will be playing in my NYX Ultimate Phoenix palette today, and the first shade I will be taking is this one right here, and I will use it as my transition color. I'm packing and blending the shade as I go along. I'm not really focused on it being precise because this is the shade that's going to help me blend out the black later on. Now the next shade I'm going to pick up is this matte black one right here, and I will be taking it on this dense shader brush. I really want this look to be intensely black, which is why I am going in directly with the black shade. Go back in with this first transition shade that we used, but this time I will be using it on my Zoeva 230 brush. You want to blend it out in small circular motions. Now I'm going back in with the black shade just to make sure that everything is still looking as intense as it was before the blend. This time I feel like dabbing into this plum shade right here, and I will be taking it on my Zoeva 231 brush. I'm using this shade to blend out the black. I'm not taking it as high as I did that first transition color. I'm really happy with how the eyes are looking and how the colors are blending well into each other. So it's time for glitter now, and I will be using my Nyx Glitter. It's black glitter, but I couldn't even tell that it was black when I bought it online. It looks like this. So I'm really excited to use it today. I'll be applying the glitter all over my mobile lid, and I will be using my lash glue. And I will be applying this glitter slightly below the blend, directly underneath my crease. I do not mind it. It's not as sparkly as I had hoped, but I'm also glad that it's not too eyeshadow, it's not too vulgar. So I can definitely get into this look because it looks more chic than glittery pom-pom Christmas tree glitter. This is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love how finely milled NYX Glitter is, beauties. It's not like big chunks or like craft glitter. It is really cosmetic glitter. Oh my goodness, darling, can you see that? Can you like really see? I really hope it's visible on camera because in real life, to line my waterline, I will use my signature rich purple eyeliner, and right after that I will wear these 3D Note Sarah eyelashes today. Now I'm priming my face with my Catrice Keep Me Matte Primer. For foundation, I will wear my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 359. I'm not going to apply foundation on my forehead. I'm just going to take the remnants of what's left on this beauty blender. To highlight and conceal today, I will be using both of these LA Girl products. One is their foundation in the shade Warm Caramel, and to brighten underneath my eyes, I will be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan. While I let this foundation get tacky, I'm going to go in and contour using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick, which I'm in the shade F18. The easiest way to contour your jaw is just to trace directly underneath your jawline. Now, instead of the LA Girl Cool Tan, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution in the shade C12. I'm using my sorbet powder to use translucent powder to set this concealer. I'll set my contour using my Maybelline pressed powder in the shade 370. This powder is also cool toned as my Wet n Wild one, the one in the shade Dark Cafe. This is just a tad bit darker than that one, but it's also more on the cooler side than warm. I will use my signature blush. Then I'll take my Yardley pressed powder in the shade Walnut to set the rest of my face and to diffuse this blush. I'm an oily girl, and so I really love a matte look. I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Finishing Spray. To smoke out my lower lash line, I will be using the same shades that I used in my crease area, except for the transition shade. So it will be this shade and the black, because I really want it to be a really blown out smoky look. Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into my highlighter quad, and I will take this white one right here, but I'm going to go in with a little bit today, not a whole lot, because I would actually love to leave it right here like this, but something feels like it's missing, so I'm gonna add the inner corner highlight. It was the inner corner highlight that was missing. And now for lips, I'm going to opt for a nude lip because I don't want to overpower the smoky eye with a red lip. So I'm going to line my lips with my brown lip liner, and I will fill them in with my Essence Stay Matte liquid lipstick. Now that you've made it here, please click on this tutorial to watch next, and if you haven't already, my darling, please subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. I will catch up with you beauties again in my next one. Bye.